If you're serious about audio quality, the Monolith XLR balanced audio cable from Monoprice deserves your attention. It's built to deliver superb sonic clarity and precise musical reproduction, making sure every note hits just right. What you get is a cable designed not just to connect, but to enhance your listening experience. Crafted with advanced cable construction, the Monolith XLR features a nylon braided jacket that's both stylish and tough. This isn't just about looks. The jacket protects the cable from wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting performance. You won't have to worry about signal loss or distortion, thanks to its premium build. Inside, you'll find 3 different gauges of solid oxygen-free copper conductors. This detail matters because it optimizes bass and mid-range frequencies, giving your music a rich, full-bodied sound. Plus, the 24K gold-plated connectors provide the best electrical contact, reducing interference and preserving signal integrity. The cable also uses Litz wire conductors, which deliver crisp treble without any harshness. Each conductor is individually insulated with low dielectric constant polyethylene, helping maintain maximum definition. On top of that, a double-shielded design with an oxygen-free copper braided shield and aluminum foil keeps noise to a minimum without sacrificing sound quality. Durability meets precision with the Monolith's precision-machined, die-cast connectors. These connectors are built to last, resisting wear even with frequent plugging and unplugging. The silver content solder joints further enhance conductivity, ensuring your audio signal remains pure from source to output. If you've ever wasted money on cheap cables that degrade your sound, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Top reviewers from across the U.S. praise the Monolith cables for their reliability and clear sound. One user even said, "Make yourself a big favor, don't waste money on cheap cables like I did." Worth a look if you want your audio gear to perform at its best. The Monolith XLR balanced audio cable offers tangible improvements in sound clarity, durability, and noise reduction. It's a simple swap that can make a noticeable difference in your listening sessions. If that's you, consider upgrading to the Monolith XLR cable. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference premium cable construction can make. Your music deserves this level of attention to detail.